Hey guys, good morning. It's Tony. I wanted to always every single morning, I wanted to go into the SPX and what I think about it. Yesterday, you did end up breaking that zone that we were talking about. I think we were at I don't know where we were. Somewhere here maybe. I forgot where we were. We ended up pushing up towards trend again. I took off all that stuff from yesterday, so I'm pretty sure we broke trend, and then we the minor, then we came back to this major trend, and you're just kind of chilling here. But I do think we are getting ready to keep pushing towards the upside. I think PPI comes out at 530. I'm personally bullish on it. I think it's gonna come in, at either lower or on whatever the hell it's called, like on target or whatever. That's what I'm thinking right now. That's what I'm looking for. I'm bullish towards the upside still. Like I said, I've been bullish for a while now, and I do think that this week we could possibly hit 407, especially with I think UAL and AAL actually upping their guidance for this year. So if Netflix can actually do that with their guidance this year on Thursday, man, the market's gonna go absolutely fucking bonkers. But yeah, as of right now, still pretty bullish. No reason for me to not be bullish. You know, this is, you can probably do, yeah, I think it was here. I think that's what it was. So definitely broke that minor trend already. This is my position right now. This is where we're at, up 34K right now. And I think as of right now, if this trend breaks to the upside, we've tried to break this multiple times, but once you actually make a full 4 hour bullish candle up here, you're gonna go to 407, and I still think you're going to 407. And again, this is especially true if you look at the dollar, right? You're about to close this in 3 hours. I'm just gonna add more longs. As soon as this closes, I'm gonna add more longs to SPX and the Nasdaq. Right? Look at what happens every single time you close on the 8 hour. You continue to push down, right? This was a couple days ago, right? Close. You continue all the way down, and you push what, $1.50 here. So we're looking at something similar. You can expect in 3 days, right? Let's go here. $1.50, somewhere down there, right? Somewhere $1.50 down here. I would not be surprised to see us down here. My target's actually at 1013. I think we'll see some really good support here. But if we do actually come down here, I can almost guarantee you guys that the next target for the dollar, right, is going to be, right here. Right there. Change this, and then after that, you'll probably have target here. Then after that, target will be somewhere around here. There you go. So I can almost guarantee you guys, if we do end up, coming down and breaking this 101,362, I can almost guarantee you guys that eventually we'll go back down to $99 on the DXY, which means that that's an easy 420, 430 for the SPX, right? And again, the Nasdaq's still pretty strong as well. You already look at that. You're bouncing off. Look at that. You're bouncing off major levels. So I can almost guarantee you guys 12-1 on the Nasdaq, basically. Somebody said that they wanted me to do some TA on HUT. HUT looks pretty good. I do like HUT. I do like all the Bitcoin miners. I am gonna start my position on BitF again pretty soon. There you go. But you do have gaps to fill. And I do want to buy into BITF and all the other major Bitcoin miners, but I think I'm gonna wait a little bit. I'm gonna wait till these gaps start filling. I do think they'll get filled sooner or later, and I think sooner, other than later. But I would stay away. I'm staying away from all Bitcoin miners just because this huge pop right here, right? And again, you did create a huge pop right here, and you didn't fill it for a very long time, right? You didn't fill this till, you created it in July 2022. You didn't fill it till November 2022, 6 months later. So I'm not saying that these will actually get filled at all, right? You can definitely from here keep pushing all the way up to 244 on HUT, right? And it definitely looks like that. But for me personally, I think I'm gonna wait. I think I'm gonna chill a little bit. I think things are definitely gonna, might settle for crypto a little bit. I'm personally gonna be picking up a bunch of BITF. I think they're doing really well, and I think the only ones that I will pick up are BITF and probably Mara. That's what I think I will start picking up soon. Is that a gap on Mara? Oh no, I think it's just a range that I made. I was like, well, that's a huge ass gap. But I think for right now, I mean, you could definitely keep pushing, but I think you've sort of hit like a top. And I think at minimum, you'll probably see something like that, like that nice little retrace on everything. If not, all the way down to maybe like here, right? But again, on HUT, you only have that one. Oh, you have two gaps, right? So, like I said, I think minimum you might see the retrace to 159. I don't think I'll get in at there. I think I'll get in once you hit that second gap because I think BitF has the exact same thing, right? So BitF, right, has a major gap right there. I think if BITF can actually fill that gap, I'm 100% going to be going in a whole bunch. So with that being said, I personally think the crypto miners are going to come right back down, at least to start filling gas before they shoot up. But if they shoot up, that's fantastic. I'm personally going to stay out of all these, Bitcoin miners just to be on the safer side. If anything, I'll just buy like calls or something for like a year out. But if we do come down to like this level, I will be loading the F up. Just letting you guys know. But yeah, SPX or the SPY, still think we're going to go up. Still think everything's gonna shoot up pretty nicely. After the PPI report later today, I think it's gonna come out bullish. And again, you're already starting to push a little bit higher, but I mean, you do have sort of a minor trend here, right? I mean, you are pushing, but you do have this minor trend like right here. So if we are gonna like push back here, if we are actually gonna come right back down, it's now, right? This is literally the top. You're gonna come back down and sell off, or this is actually when you push up, you break these highs and you keep pushing towards 407. So with that being said, I think the range today more than likely is going to be somewhere around like this area between 390, right? Like 397 and like 401 is probably going to be a range. If 401 breaks, I'm gonna load up on longs because this thing's going to 407. I'll see you guys later. Bye bye.